now.
Rupert!
He was brave. He was brave. He was...
No! Stop! No! My whistle! My...
That's the end of you and your power, Billy Blizzard.
My whistle! No!
What happened?
We did it, Rupert! We did it!
But how?
I'll explain later.
Your mischief has reached its final end, Billy Blizzard. From this day forth, you are banished to the cold misery of the South Pole, where you will be alone for all of time. You will never set foot in the North Pole again. Take him away.
My snowman! Where is he? Is he hiding again? Then where is he? You don't mean...
He was the bravest snowman ever, Rupert.
Rika, on behalf of myself and all the snow people here at the North Pole, I want to thank you and Rupert for all that you've done.
Where is Rupert? I haven't seen him since...
Oh, he's all right. He just wanted a few moments alone before we went back to Nutwood. Rupert, what are you doing?
Just adding the finishing touches, Rika.
What? Rupert! Oh, you scared me.
It worked.
What I meant was, you surprised me. It's not like I was frightened or anything. Nothing frightens me.
We know that, Snowman. You saved us all.
I did? Of course I did. Wait, I remember now. Rupert, when I saw you frozen, I said to myself, that's the last straw. After all, the fate of the whole North Pole was at stake. I had Billy shaking in his galoshes. You should have seen the look on his face when I came charging at him.
We have to get back to Nutwood to collect Santa's other reindeer, Snowman.
You don't want to hear the rest of how I saved the North Pole?
When I'm back for a visit.
Goodbye, Rupert, Rika, and thanks.
Sure we can't drop you somewhere, Snowman? Iceland, perhaps?
No, thanks. The North Pole is the only place for me. Especially now that Billy Blizzard's gone.